The magic of nap hand in English. Hello there, English learners. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that's not commonly known but is rich in history and meaning. Can you guess? It's nap hand. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in context. The term nap hand originally comes from the card game called Napoleon, popularly known as Nap. In the game, if a player declared that they would win all 5 tricks and succeeded, they achieved a nap hand. So, historically, the term is tied to the idea of winning all or the maximum number of rounds in this card game. But like many phrases, its usage has evolved. Today, nap hand is used more broadly, often in British English, to indicate a set of 5 of something, especially if they are good or advantageous. For example, if a football team wins 5 matches in a row, it might be said they have a nap hand of victories. Understanding a term is great, but knowing how to use it, even better. Let's go through some example sentences. 1. The director's new movie makes it a nap hand of box office hits for her. 2. With that last goal, he scored in 5 consecutive games. It's a nap hand for him. 3. Their company has released 5 successful products this year. Truly a nap hand in the industry. So, there you have it. The phrase, nap hand, isn't just about cards but has made its way into everyday language, especially in the UK. It's always fun to sprinkle your conversations with such unique phrases, isn't it? We hope you found this explainer useful and enriching. Keep exploring the fascinating world of the English language, and until next time, happy learning!